Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topics in CSS Flexbox. Use the flex shorthand property. There is a shortcut available to set several flex properties at once. The flex grow, flex shrink, and flex basis property can all be set together by using flex property. For example, flex colon 1 0 10 pixel will set the items to grow to flex grow 1, flex ring to 0 and flex basis to 10 pixel. The default property settings are flex 0, 1, auto. So here the challenge, add the CSS flex to both box 1 and box 2. Give the box 1 the values, so its flex grow is 2, its flex shrink is 2 and flex basis is 150 pixel. Give box 2 the value, so its flex grow is 1, flex shrink is 1 and flex basis is 150 pixel. These values will cause box 1 to grow to fill extra space at twice the rate of box 2 when the container is greater than 300 pixel and shrinks at the twice the rate of box 2 when the container is less than 300 pixel. 300 pixel is the combined size of flex basis values of the two boxes. So let's do it. So first we will set the value of flex. In first case it is flex grow 2, flex shrink 2 and flex basis 150 pixel. So we can see here, and in case of box 2 flex 1 for flex grow, 1 for flex ring and 150 pixel for the flex basis. And now as we increase the size, we can see that in the here two value is given to blue one for flex grow and one for red. And when we decrease the size, we can see that blue one now gets one, means it's going, means it's shrinking two times more than the red one. And when we need such functionality, then we can certainly do it like this. So here we can see that the test cases, the box one element should have the flex property set to value 2 to 150 pixel, 2 to 150 pixel for box 1. The box 2 element should have flex property set to value of 150 pixel. So 150 pixel box 2, and your code should use the flex property for box 1 and box 2. It's using flex for both. So we should run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.